Next topic is types of intrusion detection system. So there are two types of intrusion detection system: host based and network based, that is HIDS and AIDS. And HIDS resides on a particular host and looks for indications of attacks on the host, while the NIDS is reside on the network traffic and looking for any hacking techniques or any attack on that network. So now we will see host based IDS. So this is the diagram of host based IDS, in which one of the server is having a host IDS. So the host based IDS exists as a software process on a system. This HIDS system have examined log entries for specific information. So on Unix system it checks the different thing. On Windows system, the system, application and security event logs are examined. So periodically the host based IDS process looks for new log entries, okay, and it matches that log entries into the specified rules. If it matches that log entries with the rules, then HIDS will alarm. Okay, so if the HIDS is to function properly, the necessary information must be appeared into the logs. Okay, therefore if the information that is most interesting is generated by the application must place that information into the standard logs of the system. Most recently, a new form of host based IDS has been created that examines the operating system kernel. It examines the operating system kernel. So both types of HIDS are capable of checking files on the system for modification. So this is done by the cryptographic checksum. Which technique is used? Here the cryptographic checksum is used, and also the hashing function is also used. So this value is then stored and used as a comparison against the periodic checksum of the file. That is compared with the periodic checksum. If the checksum do not match, if that is not matched, then the file is altered. Means the file is altered. If the stored checksum and the periodic checksum is not matched, then the your file is altered, otherwise your file is saved. So like this the host based IDS works. Then advantages of HIDS is the HIDS will not miss attack traffic that is directed as a system as long as attack generates a log message. Second, the HIDS can determine if an attack was successful by examining a log messages or other indication on the system. The HIDS can be used to identify unauthorized access. It can identify the unauthorized access to the system users. But this HIDS is also having some disadvantages, that is the process may be identified and disabled by an attacker. The attacker simply disables the HIDS process. The HIDS system can only alarm if the log entries or system calls match pre-configured rules or signatures. That is the second advantage. And certain HIDS system may impact the support and maintenance agreements of the operating system. So these are the disadvantages of the host based IDS. Okay, so next is network based IDS, that will be taken into the next lecture.